program, we check whether a number is a palindrome or not. A palindrome number is a number that remains the same when reversed, like 121 and 1331. First, I take a number and store it in another variable called original because the value will change during the process. Now, we first create the variable reverse for storing the reverse number. Initially, we assigned the value 0. Now, we use the while loop till number is greater than 0. In each iteration, I extract the last digit of a number by using the modulus operator. Now we store the result into the reverse variable by multiplying the reverse number by 10 and storing the last digit into that variable. Now we have to remove last digit from the number by dividing it by 10. In each iteration, we perform these 3 steps until the number is greater than 0. Now, we have to check if my original number is equal to the reverse number, then we print it is a palindrome number. Else, if it is not equal, then we print the number is not a palindrome number. Let's try to run it. We get the output as a palindrome number. If we enter another number 1, 2, 3, 4, then it gives us output as a not a palindrome number.